Welcome. In this video, we're going to review parts of the body. Take a look at this slide. Over here are different names for parts of the body in English. And here on the diagram, every part is labeled with a number. So number 1 is the head. Number 3, which is a little tricky to show, is pointing to the back, your back, okay? Pause on this slide and try to match each word with the correct location on the body. On the next slide, I am going to show and explain the answers. Pause here if you want to practice this activity. Here are the answers, okay? So these are 24 parts of the human body, and these are not the most scientific terms, but these are the terms, the vocabulary words that people use, especially in healthcare, to explain if something is a problem, if something has pain, if something hurts them, okay? So let's talk about these. Number 1 was the head. Number 2 is the neck. 3 is the back. 4 is the shoulder. 5 is the upper arm. Okay, this is above your elbow, between the elbow and shoulder. Forearm is like your lower arm, okay, under your elbow, between your elbow and your wrist. Okay, this is your forearm. Wrist connects your arm to your hand. Thumb is just this finger, like thumbs up, okay? Finger is right here, number 9. So you have 4 fingers and a thumb on each hand, okay? Number 10 is pointing to the hip, which is your hip bone, okay? 11 is your waist. This is usually where your pants come up, okay? Number 12 is the knee. 13 is the ankle. This is where your leg connects to your foot, okay? 14 is the foot. 15 is a toe, okay? So on your hands, you have fingers. On your feet, you have 10 toes, okay? So it's trying to show one toe, okay? 16 is your calf. This is a muscle on the back of your lower leg, okay? If you exercise, if you walk, if you run, your calf muscle might stick out a little bit, okay? It just means you're strong. So this is your calf muscle on the back of your bottom leg. 17, they're trying to show you that the whole thing is a leg, right? And 18 is your thigh. This is the upper part of your leg, okay, where that muscle is. 19 is your hand, right? It's trying to show the whole hand. 20 is your arm, the whole thing. 21 is your elbow, which is where your arm bends. 22 is your abdomen. That's this whole middle part, okay? So there are a lot of organs, a lot inside of you in your abdomen. So if you have pain in your abdomen, it's important to explain that to a doctor. They will ask you, where is the pain? What does the pain feel like? Because there's so many things inside our body right there, okay? So this is your abdomen, just like we say abs, which are the muscles that are here, okay? Abdomen is this area of the body. 23 is your chest, okay, where your heart and your lungs are for breathing. And 24 is your ear. Okay, so these are 24 parts of the body that you should definitely know in English to be able to communicate with doctors and nurses. Thanks for watching.